Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeeglobalvision Services. Well, my name is Z, and I'm back with a new video. So, I would like to ask you guys to be part of Zeeglobalvision community because this community will give you so much informative knowledge and educational videos regarding to knowledge about finance, investments, budgeting, and also related to health and well-being, about mental health conditions, herbal knowledge. And one more thing I just want to add is Zeeglobalvision travel is the best one. Bike ride travel is hard for me to explain. It's just you have to visit my channels to explore more of these things. So subscribe to my channels now. This is the opportunity you don't want to miss. Grow this channel, and I know you will love it. So what do I say? Knowledge is power. Be part of Zeeglobalvision and be part of this community. And take care and see you guys soon.